Welcome to the fifth session of the first unit introduction. Before starting the fifth session, once we'll glance the previous session. In previous session, we have discussed about the definition of earthing, step potential, touch potential, necessity of earthing, points to be earthed, factors influencing the earth resistance, methods of reducing the earth resistance, method of selecting the earth conductor, and different types of earth resistance for different installations which are given by standards. In this session we are going to discuss about the types of earthing. The different types of earthing are wire or strip earthing, spiral earthing, rod earthing, pipe earthing, and plate earthing. In this session we are going to discuss only the main types of earthing which are used in present days. The main types of earthing are pipe earthing, plate earthing, spiral earthing. Nowadays we are using only pipe and plate earthing. Even spiral is also outdated one. Pipe earthing is used for domestic applications and plate earthing is used for electrical equipment earthing and in substations. Spiral earthing, in earlier days, spiral earthing is used for earthing of electric poles. Next, pipe earthing. Pipe earthing, the name itself indicates we are going to use the pipe. The figure shows the general arrangement of pipe earthing. General arrangement of pipe earthing. Here we are using a galvanized iron pipe, GI pipe, galvanized iron pipe of 38 mm dia and a length of 2.5 meter, having a crossed holes on the pipe of 12 mm dia. These crossed holes from one side to another side, that is in zigzag side. The same pipe is put in the earth pit surrounding the alternate layers of charcoal and salt. The top of the pipe is connected to the funnel which is used to pour the water through the 19 mm dia GI pipe. This pipe is used for watering. At the ground level we are going to construct the masonry work, that is a rectangular shape earth pit that is constructed by brick or concrete, having a GI pipe for earth conductor. This earth pit, that is rectangular shape masonry work, covered with cast iron cover hinged to the cast iron frame, that is connected to the cast iron frame for opening and closing of the earth pit. To maintain the earth resistance minimum, that is less than 5 ohms, periodically you are going to pour the water using this funnel. The equipments are connected to the earth pipe or earth conductor using the earth wire of 8 SWZ that is standard wire gauge 8 SWZ galvanized iron wire. Next, specification of pipe earthing. Here we have considered the maximum length. The specification of the earth pit, that is of 1 meter diameter and 4.5 meter depth. This 4.5 meter depth is a maximum length. Pipe for earthing, as of you are considered in the diagram, GI galvanized iron pipe of 38 mm dia with 2.5 meter length and 3 mm thickness. Next, pipe for watering, that is also galvanized iron pipe, that is of 19 mm dia. Filling of earth pit. You are going to fill the earth pit with salt and charcoal. Construction of masonry work. Masonry work is constructed in rectangular shape with a cover of cast iron and frame of cast iron. The size of the masonry work will vary, but that must be in rectangular size. Identification of earth pit. To identify the earth pit, suitable display board is used. Next, plate earthing. As the name itself indicates, the plate, there we are using the pipe, here we are using the plate. The figure shows the arrangement of plate earthing. In this, a copper or galvanized iron plate is placed at a depth of 3 meter maximum and 1.5 meter minimum. This depth depends upon the soil condition. If you are considering a copper plate is of the size 60 centimeter into 60 centimeter into 3 mm thickness. If you consider a galvanized iron plate, that is 60 centimeter into 60 centimeter into 6 mm thickness. This earth electrode plate or earth plate is surrounded by alternate layers of charcoal and salt up to the 15 centimeters to maintain the earth resistance minimum. The plate is connected to the funnel using the GI pipe, that is of 19 mm galvanized iron pipe, for pouring of water. For connecting the earth conductor to the earth plate, you are using a galvanized iron pipe here, that is of different sizes, that depends upon the size of the earth conductor, that is connecting wire. At the ground level, you are going to construct a rectangular masonry work using a brick or the concrete. That rectangular masonry work or construction is covered with the cast iron cover hinged to the cast iron frame, that is connected to the cast iron cover is connected to cast iron frame for opening and closing. For maintaining the earth resistance less than 5 ohms, you are going to pour the water periodically in the earth pit. This is plate earthing. Specifications of plate earthing. Here earth pit is of 1 meter diameter and 3 meter depth. This is of maximum. If you use minimum, that is will be 1.5 meter. Earth electrode plate size. If you will use copper will be of 600 mm into 600 mm into 3 mm thickness, or if you use galvanized iron, that will be of 600 mm into 600 mm into 6 mm thickness. Earth strip for connection. For making connection, you are using the copper earth strip, that will be of 25 mm into 3 mm thickness. Next, for filling of earth pit, the sufficient quantity of salt and charcoals are used. For watering pipe, you are using GI pipe of 19 mm dia. These are the specifications of plate earthing. Next, spiral earthing. In the first slide, as I have told, it's used for a electric pole earthing. How the electric pole earth in the earlier days, just you see the image. See, the same conductor is used for making the coil and connecting to the electric pole. This is a coil. Okay, coming to the slide. In spiral earthing, the same conductor or wire is used to connect the apparatus to the earthing. What you are going to do in spiral, the wire is spirally wounded about 15 tons and it is sunk in a depth of 1.5 meter below the ground level. This ends the types of earthing. Here are some multiple choice questions and answers based on the what we have discussed in the earthing in the above session. First question, which type of earthing is used for domestic purpose? First option, plate earthing. Second, pipe earthing. Third, spiral earthing. Fourth, none of the above. Can you people tell the answer? Can anyone guess? The answer is second. The answer is second one, that is pipe earthing. The pipe earthing is used for domestic purpose or domestic applications. Next, second question, the earth plate size in plate earthing is 60 centimeter into 60 centimeter into 3 mm copper, 600 mm into 600 mm into 6 mm galvanized iron, 600 mm into 600 mm into 3 mm copper. What is the size of the plate? The options are A 2, B 1, C all the above, D none of the above. What is the answer? Can anybody tell? Anyone? Any guesses? The answer is C, that is all the above. All these dimensions or all these sizes are used for earth plate in the plate earthing. Next, Here we'll come to the end of the session. In this session about conclusion, we have discussed the types of earthing, applications of earthing, general things, then arrangement of pipe earthing, arrangement of plate earthing, and description about the spiral earthing, and some MCQs. Here are some references. First, electrical installation, estimating and costing by J.B. Gupta. Second one, electrical wiring, estimating and costing by S.L. Uppal, G.C. Garg. Third one, electrical estimating, specification and costing by M. Raghunath Rao. Fourth one, general specifications for internal work, part 1, 2013. Fifth, code of practice for earthing, IS 3043, 1987. All these references are used for the first unit. At the end of the session 5, we came to the end of the first unit. Thank you one and all.